Hi everyone, this is Aishwarya Ajit. I'm a TV presenter, beauty and lifestyle content creator, and I'm actually in the middle of renovating my new home. And today I'm having my kitchen wrapped with Centerstone interiors. Follow me. Centerstone is one of the most leading interior makeover companies in Dubai. And look at my kitchen. This is, of course, the before. It comes in the standard boring colors, brown cabinets, boring countertops. And today I'm going to have it vinyl wrapped with Centerstone. I chose to do architectural vinyl wrapping because it is more cost-effective, durable, heat and scratch resistant. And what I really love about vinyl wrapping is that there's no breaking, banging, dust or noise, and your entire kitchen can be transformed in just a day or two. It's been a couple of days and my kitchen is ready. Are you guys excited to see the final reveal? Follow me. And here we go. My dull, boring old kitchen has been completely transformed thanks to Centerstone. I'm loving the marble counters, and I also decided to do marble backsplash. This used to just be a very basic wall before this. Loving my cabinets. I've also changed the handles. I love the nice matte finish on them, and overall, honestly, I cannot recognize this place. I'm loving it. So is my nanny actually. She feels happier working in such a beautiful kitchen because of how much it has transformed. I'm very excited to try out my new kitchen. They've given me 5 years of warranty. They've also done quite a few jobs in my house, like the beautiful French style wall panels in my sofa wall and the panels and cladding on the TV wall to make it look more elegant. But of course, wrapping is their main focus. Thank you, Centerstone. I'm very excited to work with you guys again.